Once upon a time, in a deep forest, there lived a hungry wolf. He had not eaten for many days and was becoming weaker every day. One day, while wandering near a village, he saw a shepherd with a large flock of sheep. The wolf had an idea. He thought, if I can become one of the sheep, I can eat one every night without anyone knowing. While walking back into the forest, the wolf found the skin of a dead sheep. He put it on like a coat and looked just like a real sheep. The next morning he walked quietly into the flock. The shepherd didn't notice anything strange and let him stay with the other sheep. That night, when everyone was asleep, the wolf attacked a small lamb and ate it. The same thing happened for the next few nights. Every night, one sheep would go missing. The shepherd became confused and worried, but his smart dog noticed something strange. One of the sheep didn't behave like the others. It didn't eat grass, didn't make any sound, and stayed quiet. So, the dog decided to keep watch. That night, when the wolf tried to attack again, the dog jumped on him and barked loudly. The shepherd came running and pulled off the sheep's skin. And there stood the wolf. The shepherd and the dog chased him out of the flock. The wolf ran back into the forest and never came near the sheep again. Moral of the story: you may fool others for a while, but the truth always comes out. Those who cheat others are eventually caught.